So hello friends, how are you? Today I have a special item for you on your special demand. Today I have these plates. You can say it pizza plate or baking plates. See it is a Teflon. See it enough deep. Different sizes I have. You can see it. It's if you say about in an inch, it's let me keep it here. Yeah, it's a 8 inch and enough deep. See it, and it's a bigger size, 10 inch, 8 inch, 10 inch. See it, it's enough deep, same. See it, 8 inches, 10 inches, and after that it's 12 inches. See the size, it's jumbo size, full size you can say, 12 inch. See it, it's a 8 inch, 8, enough deep as I discussed. I have some other qualities also. It's a 8, 10, and it's a 10 inches, and it's a 12 inches. So it's a pizza plates. You can order it on giving number, already given number there, 9896999967, and it's a different type of Teflon plates. See it, it's a little bit less deep, sizes are bigger than that. See it, as 31 inches. Yeah, it's a bigger size. Yeah, let me show it. If you say about it, it's a 24 inch. See the size, little bit bigger, and deep is not like that as old I showed. And it's 28 centimeter. See the size, it's a bigger size, 28 centimeter. It's first 24, 28 centimeter, and now it's 31 centimeter. See it, enough big size, enough big size. See it, and now it's 34 centimeter. It's a bigger size, 34 centimeter. I have one more size. Let me check, where is it? Where is it? So I have one more size, little bit bigger than it. And where is it? Yeah, it's a bigger size. It's a 36 centimeter. Let me show you all. See it, first 24 centimeter, and 28, 31. See it, 31 is third number, 31, 28, 24, different sizes. See it here, it's a 5 type of plates. You can say 5 sizes. I have some other items also for specially baking cakes and other. See it, it's especially for baking, as I told on other, as I showed, that also you can use for baking, but specially that is for baking because bigger size and enough deep. See it, you have to just fix it like that. Yeah, you have to fix it like that, and you can use it. Just press it like that, and you can fix it. See it, it's enough deep, and you can use it for a round cake base. You can make it. It's a Teflon. You can use it in a oven. See it, it's in a square. See the same pattern. You can open it like that, and lower tray you can remove from here if you want to remove the base of cake. See it, same, you can fix it and can remove. It's good enough, and here little bit smaller, like what you say it, cupcake etc, something like that. You can use it for small cakes and base. Cupcake small, generally we use it this size cupcake. See it, it's a little bit more smaller. See the sizes here, many type of sizes available, and it's, you will say that you can use it in many items to make, like chocolate for making chocolate and other items. See the design, it's a car and it's same square, little bit round. Here you can see it, it's for baking items, and especially mostly like it's a traditional like that aluminum. You can use it also for making a base for cake. See it, you can order it on giving number 9896999967. I want to tell you one thing, that we don't have a currently we have only prepaid option. Postpaid, like you can say cash on delivery, not available, and that will be more beneficial for you. If you will order on a bulk order, you will get cheaper rate in comparison of you say about online sites. You can get it cheaper. You can ask for dealership and for reselling on your area, and even you can sell it on Amazon etc on online site. So please like and share.